So I caved in and I bought this baby Doppler on Amazon, and I've been playing around with it for a little while, and I believe I found the trick to finding your baby's heartbeat versus your own. So your heartbeat is going to be more of like a whooshing sound, and it's going to be slower. And then when you find your baby's heartbeat, it's going to be very fast, because like boom, 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 boom. So you need to listen, you need to find yours first in order to find your baby's. So I'm currently 12 weeks and 5 days, but I did find the heartbeat with this at 11 weeks and 6 days, so like almost 12 weeks. But I didn't have it before then to try, but I definitely found it. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I found it. Now, I'm gonna try not to make this like too graphic because the baby's really low, okay? So like, bear with me. Okay, so the Doppler comes with this little like gel stuff that you put on it. You don't have to use this stuff. You can use like aloe vera or something else, but since it came with it, I use it. So here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. It is a little loud, so don't get like annoyed by the sounds. All right, so those little numbers, they kind of mean nothing. Doesn't really match. So first I'm gonna find my heartbeat. All right, let me put the volume up because I did find mine. All right, so here's my heartbeat. I hope you can hear it. I found it like on the side. Okay, that's what my heartbeat sound like, the whooshing sound. Now let's move over like more towards the middle. Definitely found it. That's the baby's heartbeat. It's much faster than mine. It's like whoosh, 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 whoosh. Now, sorry, it's really loud. Now I'll show you mine again so then you can hear the difference. And then this one's mine. Mine. I also wanted to add to my little Doppler video that just because you can't find your baby's heartbeat does not mean that something's wrong with the baby or, you know, that you should worry, because a lot of people have trouble finding it. I mean, even I had trouble finding it. I had to play around with it, especially the first time I did it. I was playing around with it for like 45 minutes. And even this time, like, I had to cut the video a little because there was so much of me, like, moving around and, like, you know, pushing a little bit. You don't want to push too hard, but you do have to push a little bit to, like, get in there. Also, other women have trouble finding the heartbeat because they have, like, an anterior placenta versus a posterior. I have no idea what I have. I'm assuming I have a regular posterior placenta just because I can easily find the heartbeat, but that doesn't even really mean that. So I have no idea, but they say with an anterior placenta, you have a harder time finding the heartbeat with a Doppler. Other reasons might be if some women are a little heavier or have just like a little extra pouch there from like previous pregnancies, that could also interfere with it. So there's just so many reasons why you may or may not be able to find the heartbeat. I just thought it was helpful to show you the difference between the two sounds, and it seems as though you could find your heartbeat on like one of the sides, more like right under your bone, your pelvic bone, and then you find the baby's more like directly in the middle, but like under your belly button, directly in the middle, but like very low, like almost like where like your bathing suit line would be, like a regular bathing suit, not a high-waisted bathing suit, like where your underwear sit basically, like right down there. And then you just push in a little bit and like you should find it there, but if not, play around or just like wait until you're a couple more weeks. So I hope it was helpful. That's really it for now.